Okay, we're going to be multiplying decimals. So I've written down my problem. Sometimes you'll see it this way and you need to change it to this. So first thing I'm going to do is just going to ignore those decimals and I'm going to multiply like you normally have. So 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 7 is 28. Then I move into the next position. So that means that I need to add my 0 on my second line. 8 times 2 is 16. Carrier 1. 8 times 7 is 56. Plus 1 more is 57. Then I'm going to add those up. So when I do that, I have 8, 14, 10, 6. Now, those decimals are going to come back to play now. So what I do is go up here and count 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. Then you go to the very end of the number and move that many places. So 1 place, 2 places, 3 places. So my answer is 6 and 48 thousandths. Okay. Next example. On this one, because this one has the most digits, I like to have it at the top. It just kind of keeps me straight, a little bit easier to think about. Okay, we'll start the same way. So I'm going to multiply here. I ignored that decimal. So I have, and I forgot to put this one in, so let me do that. Okay, now 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 8 is 16. Second line, add a 0. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 2 more is 8. 6 times 8 is 48. Then I'm going to add those up, and I get 8, 6, 14, 10. Okay, and then I go back up here and I count those places. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So my product is 5 and 468 10,000ths. All right, let's look at this one. Okay, again, we're going to ignore those decimals where they're at. Okay, so I'm just going to start multiplying. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5. Second row, add a 0. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 2 is 14, 15, 16. 7 times 5 is 35, 36. Third row, I'm going to add 2 zeros. Okay, so now 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 2 is 16, 17, 18. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 1 more is 41. Now I'm going to add it all up. So I have 3, 3, 4 and 6 is 10, 15, 14, 15, 4, 5, 4. Now I've got to go and put my decimal in, so I'll count the places. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So my product is 455 and 533 thousandths. Okay, so again, multiply like normal. Once you find your product, count the places behind each decimal, start at the very end, and move that many places in your product to put your decimal in. Now you try.